Hi guys, today I will show you a small fusion video. Sometimes when you do, like here I have done a project of two surfaces and I want to remake the surfaces in Fusion 360, just because. And you can try and do a loft from the entire thing to the other one to try and replicate the shape, but it doesn't always come out the way you expect. Like here, you can tell that the front in this area is distorted. So how do you go about this to make the wall perfect? Well, you can use the surface tool instead. But then you have some other problems. So if you go here and you create a loft, you can create it from here, profile 1, and then you select the equivalent on the top one and press OK, and then you can do the same thing for the next one. Loft, and then you find the equivalent one, which is that one, just a bit smaller, and press OK. So that way you can just work your way around and you have a lot of surfaces. Now there is an easy way to do this faster, so I'll just go back. So you start with 1, and then you go to loft under the surface tool, and then you take loft, and then you start by selecting the first corresponding one. Okay, and then you go to the bottom and say, okay, I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do this, this, and you can see that it's drawing them up like this. And then, but wait a minute, that doesn't look right. But that's an easy fix. See here, everything goes to the same original sketch. Now Fusion is intelligent, if you know that. So if you continue clicking on top here, it will expand the selection you have previously done. And I must admit I haven't tried this, but I would assume this now will create one object and not many small ones. See? One side instead of many small ones that you would have to stitch together. And of course you can do this with the whole body. So let's continue this. And if I am right in this, it would I think I would recommend doing it on the surfaces so it doesn't cut the corners. We can try and see what happens. Loft, and there. Actually, let's try that with the whole model. So we'll start from the end here. We'll just create a loft. I will bring it up to the original point there, and I'll continue at the bottom like we have. Actually now it's creating it reversed. I'm gonna do it the other way. Here, create loft, there. Now you can see the inside is the inside and the outside is the outside. Okay, so you can go both ways. But now you get this distortion again here. And that is because it is missing the points here. So let's cancel that and see what happens if we go from this and loft it to this and this. Now you can see there is no distortion. So in some cases you have to do this on the long sides. You cannot go around the big corners. but it will make it easier to stitch together the rest. So we loft there, this, and you start it. Like this. And then you go at the same time, go up here and you continue at the top. Oh, misclicks. Is for the loose. Actually, I'm not going to do that. Just have to be accurate. There. Let's pray I don't click wrong here now. It's like pulling a curtain. And you should also be fairly sure that since it's creating one side, there is no gaps in between. There. And I will just do the same with the one on the back. Create loft to the bottom one. Did not like that because it's not aligning up correctly. I'll look at that afterwards. So let's just do that. Create loft. Can you multi-select? That's a question. Create. And the top one. It seems like it works that way as well. Then we are at the top and we pull the curtain. That looks good. Okay. Now how can you get this to be think no matter what you do, it's not gonna be good. So, because I want this to stick into the model, so I think what I need to do is I need to loft it as its own object, like this. Okay, and then I will need to. I'll do that after I get the surfaces patched. Okay, there. Then I'll just go here and I'll patch the surfaces there. Now we got a solid object, and surface extrude. Does not look like I can do that. Anyway, the point of my video was to show you how you can easily use the loft tool to make surfaces with less steps. And I think I achieved it. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Like and subscribe for more.